So today we're at the house with pest control and we're looking at the rub marks and the rodent droppings. They're everywhere. I think right underneath that door, that's just a tiny opening. So the plan of attack is to start setting some traps and putting some bait in, and we're gonna go from there. Look at it. You see the mouse droppings? They're everywhere. Every toilet, every sink. See that? Take a look at this. They've been in the tub. They've been on the toilet. Every room. Nice bathroom everywhere. All over everything. How disgusting. Look at that. Apparently mice are so dirty. Behind there, under the sink. Behind the door, all over this carpet. Everywhere. In the master bathroom. They've just had the run of the place. And this is what happens. This is the master. I mean, all that furniture needs to be thrown out. All the draperies, everything. Acorns means they have been in here, along with mouse poop. And it's a biohazard. You don't want to touch it, and you don't want to breathe it in. All along the fireplace. It's everywhere.
Okay, so yesterday we had pest control go over to the house, and they put out a whole bunch of mouse traps. And there weren't as many as I thought there were going to be. I was thinking there would be like 100 mouse traps.
So far, we've only caught one mouse up here and one mouse in the basement, but it seems like it must be hundreds of them. Let's go see if we caught any more. Nothing. Look at that. Nothing, but look at that. And we're gonna pull these carpets out. They're just riddled with rodent droppings and urine and rub marks. Creeps me out to even come in here because it's pretty gross. I don't think I want to go downstairs. The mice have been everywhere. We just haven't had any luck catching them yet. I don't even really want to see any mice, but I do want to see that we're catching some to get them out of here. They've been all over. I can't believe we haven't been catching them like crazy. There are different things on these traps. There's like peanut butter and I don't know what else is on them. Look, they've even been in the refrigerator. See that? Ugh, really nasty. Huh. Oh, I guess that is from the plumber. Oh, that's pretty dirty under there. I still don't see any mice, but they've been all over. See that? Unbelievable. Where are they hiding? Maybe in the cellar, but I don't want to go downstairs. house. Every room. Look at that. Where are they hiding? Huh.